be our Ninong and Ninang, and we chose people that we feel are very close to our heart. That's how we came up with the list of 15 pairs of Ninongs and Ninang.
We will pray that everything will go well and that we can get all of our guests to go to the church and witness our wedding and then leave the place without chaos.
My suit's done. I had it done in the States, so I'm good.
I saw the Virawang website. I went to the Iconic Collection and I chose the classic Vira that has a ribbon. Nakita ko yung name, Virawang. Kasi di ba pag wedding parang Virawang. Very wedding-like.
Uli and Paul are really simple but elegant. I know talagang coffee news the term ngayon. Simple and elegant and very classy. Very, very classy. Kasi sa kanila, less is more. Ayaw nilang madaming loloy, palamuti. Hindi sila ganon.
Sa font, medyo kami nang nag-recommend. For paper, we just showed them an option between the white and ecru.
Gusto nila talaga all white with touches of gray and silver lang. Very romantic. Binigyan ko sila ng two options. We have the low arrangement and the high arrangement.
The look for the Despedida de Soltera is more of very understated elegance. Yung flowers niya is important. Yung accessories niya is mostly bird cages and lovebirds na with candles.
When I first met sila ng Paul, pinaka-ano lang talaga underline yung dun sa pag-usap namin is they want the wedding to be as simple as possible. Kasi the pictures that we're gonna capture more of really moments.
We're planning to for the wedding video. Gusto namin yung ma-capture yung mas personal na sila. Kung baga outside trabaho nila. Candidly yun, and then wala masyadong directed ng mga shots.
The couple chose what they want to serve before the wedding. Maybe siya sa smoked salmon, tapos may organic biscuit kami na isa-serve for her. She specifically requested for her favorite day, like a mixed berries. We're starting with the Caesar salad. The favorite talaga nila. And to make it a little special, lalagyan natin ng grilled prawns. Ang soup na pili nila, seafood chowder. Isa-serve namin sa bread cup. Ang main course nila, roast beef. We will serve the roast beef with baked potato, flavored with truffle. Ang dessert nila is a buffet spread, s'mores.
Pagdating mo kasi sa reception, we have a popcorn cocktail bar. Ito yung favorite flavors nila yung dalawa when they go watch their favorite movie.
She chose Dambuan Lotus, which it's very airy, refreshing din siya. Very light, may soft floral. And then yung parang bottom note niya may pagka-woody. They love sweets, so Paul wanted something minty, like mint chocolates, ganyan. And then for the bride, Miss Tony, she wanted lemon bars,
Banana walnut siya. 5 layers siya on the bottom layer, and on the 4th layer siya yung may design. The rest is plain. Na-associate na kaagad yung gown niya doon sa design ng cake.
Mukhang handa na ang lahat para sa nalalapit na perfect wedding ng taon. Sinimulan agad ang kapi-kapilang selebrasyon. Tawanan, kwentuhan, at walang katapusang food trip.
Boy and girl.
Pero sa likod ng bawat kasiyahang naganap, may mahambing turon sa pusong dala ang isang nalalapit na paghihiwalay.
Kay Direk Paul, lagi, first time niya lahat gawin. First boyfriend niya, sana lang piliin niya yung mga kulang ng ate ko. Ang ate ko is sobrang bait niya. Sobrang selfless, sobrang patient, sobrang giving. Gusto ko itong bagong buhay, sobrang maging maligaya ka, maging masaya ka. Sana hindi ako mapalitan sa buhay mo, as partner mo. Sabi nila hindi naman daw napapalitan yung kapatid as sister. 7 years ko dito sa mundo, ikaw yung lagi kong kasama. Ikaw yung kapartner ko. Tapos ngayon, kailangan na kitang i-let go. Para kay Direk Paul.
We would like to thank the following Miraculous Makati, Mr. Bob Nicolas,
Lalo